God take orders from anyone at all. No, because you said I was all-powerful, invincible, and stronger than a whole team of Avengers, which includes at least one god. So... But I'm starting to think maybe you don't know what I am, or what I'm capable of. Maybe I need to show you. Aren't you tired of fighting? Let me help you. You all know the truth. You can't outrun the emptiness. It's what you said. We're all alone. All of us.